Sabi mo, ako yung tulog na tulog kagabi. Sino ngayon? Ew. Ew, kadiri si Ronnie.
Mommy, tigil mo.
Tigil mo.
We couldn't wait to walk through our haunted house. This is so
Yummy.
awesome.
O, yung oxygen mo, asan na? Nata sa ibabaw ng nose.
Whoa, look at his eyes. Then my sister did this.
Bilis pa rin. Hindi na malakas. Ang lakas.
This is the legendary Mighty Eagle, our protector and hero, but no one has seen him for years. Mighty Eagle is missing.
When's Mighty Eagle gonna come back? Eyebrows. Did your parents ever tell you Mighty Eagle isn't real? Shh. He doesn't know that. He doesn't have parents. Yeah, or even friends.
Yan lang. Kimchi. Eman.